Hi there and welcome to this series of video tutorials on Bootstrap. Bootstrap is the responsive framework to help you kickstart your web projects. And responsive is a bit of a buzzword at the moment in web design circles. And the reason for that is because responsive means that your design doesn't just stick to one size browser, but sticks to many size browsers, such as tablet and mobile. And therefore, if we're able to design websites that go across desktop, tablet and mobile, we're able to respond to the user's needs, and hence its name. Bootstrap used to be known as Twitter Bootstrap because it was created at Twitter as a framework to encourage consistency across internal web projects. Bootstrap is a free collection of tools for creating websites and web applications. It's a front-end design environment. It contains HTML and CSS-based design templates for typography, forms, buttons, navigation, and other interface components. Not only that, it also has some optional JavaScript extensions as well. And what this enables you to do is add things like image carousels, modals, popovers, and that sort of thing. Probably Bootstrap is best known though for its grid system, and this is now fully responsive. In the past, it was an additional bolt-on. It was an extra CSS file, but in this version, it is now part of it. It's a fully responsive framework. Now, it's probably worth pointing out that Bootstrap is not magic. It's not going to be able to do everything that you want it to be able to do. It's designed as a starting point for your web projects. Therefore, we are going to look at how to customize and create our own look and feel. So if it's designed to be a starting point, it's not designed to be the finished point. And so if we've got different clients coming to us who want their own unique look on their websites, then we have to be able to customize it in order to be able to get their unique look and feel. So that's our introduction. Thank you for listening.